Hello, how you doing? I had loads of emails and messages about this, how to fry fish. So here we go. Look, I'm going to use some tilapia today. You can see the head's been taken off. Really simple method. Beautiful, nice soft meat inside, nice and crispy on the outside. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we've got 2 tilapia there. They were whole. I've taken the heads off. Now if you want, boil that up and give it to your cat, or you can use that to make some stock or even a nice fish head curry. So these have been cleaned, which means they've been descaled, the guts have been taken out, all the sharp fins have been taken off. Then what I've done is I took a knife and I scored it. I don't know if you can see that. Let me show you if I open up one. You can see that I've scored it down, so it's just like a few millimeters apart. I've done that on both sides. Let's get moving. We're going to season it up and fry it. It's very simple. So we're going to start by adding some salt. Be quite generous. Black pepper. Again, be quite generous. And then I've got a 1/4 cup here of lemon juice. That's going to go on as well. I'm going to do the other side and rub it in a little bit. So a very, very simple seasoning. Let's get to the cooker. So I've got a large pan there with a centimeter or so of oil. You can use any oil you want. This is a peanut oil. Now what's important is that we don't put that fish in like that because of the lemon juice. So we just need to shake it off just a little bit, you know. We don't want all that lemon juice or liquid going in to hot oil. Okay, so the oil should be hot enough now. We're going to take a fish and we're going to drop it in. Now what's quite important, let me step back a bit. What's quite important is it's probably going to stick to the bottom of the pan. Just leave it, don't start getting underneath it and trying to lift it up. Just leave it and it will actually, after a few minutes, release itself. Just let it do its thing, it will release itself. That oil is hot, as you can see, but it's not raging. I'm going to be flipping it a few times. It's probably going to take about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, but I'll be randomly flipping it. But at the moment, let me see. Yeah, see, it's stuck. I'll just leave it and it will release itself. I'll be flipping it around. You can see it's released itself now. It was just stuck. How's he doing? Again, released itself. Let's try for a flip. And I'll be turning it a few times. I mean, it's better if you don't turn it that much, just so it can get nice and crispy on the outside. And you can see why we've cut those slices into it. It opens it out. It's beautiful. Again, it's released itself just after a few minutes. We can try for another flip. Beautiful stuff. And just basting it like this really helps, I think. I've done that one quite a lot. You can see how it's opened out. This fish is now ready. This size was about 8 minutes, 7, 8 minutes. So nice hot oil, but not crazy hot. I'll fetch these out now. Okay. Nice and crispy they are, but they'll be really soft inside. You can put your knife in there and see. Nice white fish inside, crispy outside. Just serving that with some lemon. Very simple. Hope you enjoy that. I hope it's helped. Like I say, I had a lot of emails about this one. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.